So welcome back everyone. This is the exploratory analysis, like you're seeing up here. The exploratory analysis of this project. I've done the data collection, data cleaning. So this is the exploratory analysis. Now we'll be using pandas and matplotlib. Now we'll be using pandas, of course. You are familiar with that. Then for the matplotlib, this is a plotting library. Now this library is normally used for data visualization, but you can also use it for exploratory analysis. Now exploratory analysis is just like a form of analysis where you are trying to understand what exactly is going on in your data set. Trying to understand the patterns, the correlation and other things. So that's what the main idea of exploratory analysis. Then you have explanatory analysis. Explanatory analysis is what we do in visualization when you use Tableau to visualize what you have explored. So you just rhyme exploratory and explan. So let's run this. So now we have so we now read this CSV file. This CSV file was the file we cleaned in the data cleaning. So we'll run that too. We'll run it. So this is the file. So this is the file, sorry. I always create a copy like I do with others, so I'll not go through that. Then here I'm trying to get the descriptive statistics of all the columns. Like as you can see, okay, let me run it. As you can see, we have the total number is 2001, number of high. We have the mean. Now the mean for close now, because this is what we'll be focusing on. The mean for close is this, and then this is the standard deviation, that is STD. This is the minimum, which is the minimum. Remember, this is the mean, this is the minimum, and this is the maximum. Then these three here are the percentiles. So okay. So we have to, so let us check the statistics now for only BTC. Now this was the overall, like all of them. So let's check specifically for BTC. So now for BTC, we are having this our data frame. We're now having this is the currency pair. Then we're looking for BTC/USD. We're trying to get the descriptive statistics of it. So these are the BTC data. Then the BTC starts. So if you run that, we have this now. Wow, this is cool. So now as you can see here, the mean is 24,400. Standard deviation is this 16,161. We have the minimum, the maximum, then this is the percentiles. Now this we'll be using this mean, standard deviation, minimum, and max. We're using this for our analysis. So using this for our analysis. So okay, I even left a note here. I say we'll be focusing in the statistics of close. Now we mainly focus on close because that is actually what happens at the end of the day. And the dataset we have is based on what's the daily price of 10 popular cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. Okay, so let's check. So let us check if BTC is skewed. So now I'm not using the matplotlib. I think I imported it earlier on. So let's run this. Okay, it created a plot. Wow, this is a cool plot. Now this is right skewed. Now if you are more familiar with statistics, it is what we call distribution. Like the data will be like in a bell curve, So I think I wish I was able to draw that, but it's online. You can check it out. But how I know that this is positively skewed or is right skewed is that this place, the right hand side is more longer than the left hand side. But if it's a bell curve, the right hand side will be flat than the right hand side. Then this line here is the median. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the middle value. That is what is there. So it's the median. So this is right skewed. Now I left a note. I say since we are having a positive skewed data set or right skewed for what BTC USD, we can say that there has been an uptrend. Now this is showing an uptrend. Understand? Right skewed because we're having more extreme value to the right. That's why it look like this. Like if you watch this class, where it's sitting, like this was the highest point for the BTC. We see it in the visualization, which was on I think it was on 2021 May. 2021. Yeah, it was May. BTC went up to like $67,000. That was huge. So we're having an uptrend for BTC/USD starting from this. That was the halfway from 2018 to 2023. This can continue with the uptrend with the recent news going on in the cryptocurrency world. So from the two statistics above, we can also see average performance of this. So this is the average of it. And especially there was a huge outlier, but it shows significant surge in price of BTC due to factors like events, news, and other things. So cryptocurrencies are affected by many things. Sometimes it's even hard to decipher what actually is going on, but most of the time it used to be based on the news, economic news, some geopolitical, tensions or all those things. So now I said the media is the 50th percentile. Okay, this is the statistics here. So this is the media, the middle value. Now remember, when something is right skewed or left skewed, it used to normally affect the mean. Like since I will even say it. Okay, this is it. And it says since skewness has affected our data, we can now rely on the median to measure the performance of the cryptocurrency pair. Understand? So we can rely on the media instead of the mean, because when a particular data set is skewed, it affects the mean. So instead of us to rely on the mean, we rely on the median. Since skewness affected our data, okay, I've said that we will then use mean, max, and standard deviation to measure the volatility of the cryptocurrency pair. Of course, most obviously is okay. Let me not say it. Let me not just spoil the fun. Okay. Okay. Now let me run this. Okay, this one is for ETH, which is Ethereum. Okay. This is the descriptive statistics of it. Let me run the plot. It's also right skewed. In short, many of them I will not like to. Many of them are right skewed. I'll not explain. I'll not go through. I'll just rush through them. We have what was positively skewed data set for ETH/USD, and which signifies that's still an uptrend. So I think all of them are right skewed, which means that between the 2018 to 2023, the price of cryptocurrency rise, most especially in the visualization, we see most especially was on 2021. I don't know what actually happened then, but I don't really trade crypto, so I have no idea what happened at that point in time. So this is the Litecoin, for the Litecoin, as you can see again, right skewed, same thing. So most all of them for the XRP, the same thing again, positively skewed. You can see the same thing again, XMR, run that. Then we run this guy, same right skewed. Okay. Same right skewed again. Same right skewed again. Now, there's no need of explaining this obviously because all of them are right skewed. And remember, it does affect the mean, so the media will be used to measure the performance. Now, this is the last one for the Dogecoin, the last one. So all cryptocurrency pairs are positively skewed, which signifies an uptrend of all of them between this year. So we have checked the volatility. So we check the volatility. I made a mistake. We have to check the volatility in each pair using the range, which is the difference between the mean and the max, which gives us the volatility. So, okay, this is the formula we use. Now, what is this? What is happening is this BTC data. Let me scroll up and show you what's actually going on here. Where is that BTC data? BTC data. Okay, this is it. This is the BTC data. You understand? Which is actually giving us the values of BTC slash USDT in our data set. So that's why we're having that BTC data here. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay. So having this BTC data on the closing what price? See the BTC data on the closing column. So what is this? Is extract all BTC data, all closing price of the BTC. That's what is actually happening. Then you should find the max of it. Okay, this is a built-in Python function. Find the max of it. Then you must subtract it from the same closing price of the BTC, but the minimum of that. So it's trying to get the max of this guy. Subtracting it from its minimum. So I did it for ETH2, Litecoin, others, ADA, and Doge. So did it for them. Then I place it in a list, so we can loop through it just like this. So I think I missed. Okay, I stopped here for running it. So let me run this so we don't miss track of anything. So loop through it, and we're having this, which is actually good. But this for the BTC, we are saying that BTC has this, which is the highest performance. Normally, that's why I say I don't want to spoil it from BTC. Normally, is the highest volatile, crypto we have. So it's highly volatile. Most of the time, most traders who are not, much more familiar with volatility, they don't like going for it. So it's actually good that way. So these are the performance. So this for the ETH, the Litecoin, and others. Then I sorted it out based on. Okay, let me run this. I sorted it out. Like I made the BTC should be at the starting from the lowest to the down. These are just the, I think it's the Dogecoin. Yeah, the Dogecoin and the XLM. I don't know what that actually mean. So the XLM, sorry, I know what it means, but I don't know the full meaning of that. So from the above list, it's obvious that BTC has the highest volatility, followed by ETH, then Bitcoin Cash, which is BCH. So this means for traders or investors who are more risk appetite should go for more volatile pairs like BTC, ETH, and BCH. While for ones who have less risk appetite should go for pairs like Doge, XLM, SRP. So this is the end of the exploratory analysis. The next one we'll be going to is data visualization, where we have to now explain the exact trend, how the price went up and down, from the second half of 2018 to November 2023. Goodbye, and see you in the data visualization. Thank you all.